here. I'm standing before you on behalf of our department, SNH. It's immense pleasure for me to invite you all for this second parents meeting. For this semester, it's going to be the first one, and already we have met once. So it's my pleasure inviting you all. First of all, I thank you for taking time on this Monday to present, to know about your case. So first, I want to thank you for that. On a Monday, on a weekday, taking time to present here, such a massive crowd. So first of all, it gives me great pleasure to invite our dynamic principal, Professor Kamalnathan sir, for this function. He is the one who always thinks about the students' welfare. I used to tell. Okay, he used to give message around midnight and 11:30 or 11 o'clock. So what we are going to do tomorrow. So tomorrow, on the next day morning, we will go to him. He will give ideas. So we should do all these things for the students, for the development of the students. So this is what we have to do. For example, yesterday night I got a message around 11:30 how we are going to organize this function. I replied around 4:30 a.m. When I woke up. I first used to see that message, principal message. So I replied around 4:30 a.m. and I got immediately the response. So what is the other things what you have arranged? Okay. So he is the principal who thinks 24 hours about the students' welfare, students' placement, students' marks. So in one way we are all lucky, our students are lucky to have such a dynamic principal like us. So thank you sir, thank you for presiding over this function. And I invite our Dean R&D and Dean IQAC is also there. He is going to come. He is there in another meeting. So he will come soon. So I invite all the deans of our college. And I invite other department HODs who are going to be here soon. So they are all pillars of our college. So other department HODs, we need their help also. So I invite them also. So above all, I invite you parents, I invite you all for this function, the second meeting. For this semester, as I said, this is the first meeting. We met before the last semester. So it is like already 5 months past. In the last semester, November, we met. So time is flying like anything. It is like a few days back, okay, they but we met one semester back to know about the development of the students. And on that meeting, we said what are the changes we made. Class enna changes we have made to improve the students' knowledge. That we told on that meeting. So in this meeting, we are going to tell you how your kids have developed apart from the class activities, what we have been doing to develop their knowledge, to develop their skill, what we have been doing. Other we are going to tell in this meeting. So last meeting sonna madri we told principal sir presented the science day function. That is one of the important function, innovation. Ninga Venkaiah Naidu sir oda video liyum paathirpinga how important innovation kandupidippu evlo important and he was telling that. Okay. So we want to encourage innovation in for our students also. So we have innovation cell. So we used to do Science Day celebration, February 28th every year. We used to invite a scientist, a reputed scientist from a reputed central government institute, and he will preside. He will see the exhibits by the first year students, and he will select the prize. Okay, we are very proud that our students are so innovative. Their innovation is very nice. So we have displayed some of the trophies here. இது வந்து நாங்க ஸ்டாஃப் வாங்குனதும் இல்ல, நாங்க பசங்களுக்கு கொடுத்ததும் இல்ல. இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ், உங்க பசங்க. higher semester, third year, final year students could compete பண்ணி அவங்க வாங்கின ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ்லயும் எஜுகேஷன்லயும் வாங்கின கப். So these are all proud for us. Okay, இதெல்லாம் we just displayed for some examples. We want to improve this. இந்த மூணு இருக்கிறத next year we want to make it as 30. So our students, we want to take a level that they are not only for the first year, they can compete with the higher semester, final year also. I will just tell one example. For this year, we conducted a Science Day exhibition. As I said, our students, they exhibited, and the one who got first and second prize, they presented that exhibit in other colleges and a conference with the final year students, and they got second prize there. And on that meeting, our management, our vice president was there on that meeting. After seeing this first year project, he assured immediately that this project is so nice, I want to fund this project. So you start a company, I will fund it. That is how our management is equipped. So they are ready to fund. Now they are working. The IT students, they are working. I think some of the parents will be there. They are working to start a startup company. Similarly, the second prize was one. He has written a software about selling the old books. So that project was also very nice. He got the second prize here. So they are also working to start a company of their own. The first year students, we are equipping them to start up a company. So they are like that. So we don't only want to produce engineers. Okay, we want to produce employable engineers who are all employable. அதனால நிறைய வாட்டி I am very harsh to sometimes to students that the dress code is very important, the punctuality is very important, and many of the parents I have called that the students should be punctual, the students should have this dress code. So இது எல்லாமே the company is requesting. Okay, the company needs all these attitudes from the students. நாங்க வெறும் டிகிரி மட்டும் இல்லாம அவனை எப்படி ஒரு கம்பெனி உள்ளுக்கு போனான்னு என்னென்ன தேவை கம்பெனி எதிர்பார்க்குதோ அதெல்லாம் இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல இருந்தே we have started. Okay, so that is what we have been doing. So வேற எந்த காலேஜ்லயுமே இருக்காது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல we took them to industrial visit. கம்பெனிஸ்ல ஒரு சில கம்பெனிஸ்ல எப்படி கேட்டாங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்லயே கூப்பிட்டு வரீங்களே அவங்களுக்கு அவ்வளவு நாலேஜ் இருக்குமா, ஒரு சில கம்பெனிஸ்ல அலோ பண்ணல. We took extra effort, we have our own recommendations, and then we took our students to industrial visit. Okay, so to know about the companies, so these things will be elaborately explained by our principal. Okay, so once again, and I invite you all parents to coming for this meeting. So already உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் letters வந்திருக்கும். So அதுல we have displayed, we have given the marks scored by the students. So உங்களுக்கு என்ன concern இருந்தாலும், okay, if you have any doubts, concerns about the students, you are always encouraged to contact the concerned subject teacher. They will be there in the seminar hall. So interact well with the staff. So this is the time. So Anna University exam will start in a few weeks. So May 6th it is starting. So that is the time we want to meet you. Okay. So it is nice that whenever we request you, you are coming here. So similarly, whenever you need our help, you are always encouraged. Anytime. So all of you, I hope you will be having your class advisor's number, your mentor's number, and most of you will be having my number also. So you are always encouraged to contact us anytime about any doubt. Okay. So if we join hands together, so we can put our kids in a very high position. So that is why this parents meeting is very, very important. And it is very nice that so many of you have turned up, even though it is on Monday. First, I apologize for that, arranging this meeting on Monday. We usually arrange the parents meeting on Saturday, because as there was no time on this time on this semester, because the election is coming, so we are having break up now. So we are pushed to arrange on Monday. So even on Monday, it is nice to see so many parents. Others are coming over. So it is very nice to meet you all. So again, and I invite you all, and I hope this meeting will be very